Now we're ready to place all of the monkey bars into the monkey bar assembly. To do that, select Place, Monkey Pole, and Open. You're going to need several of them, and you can go back and place more monkey bar poles if you need to. I'm just going to place a few of them in approximate locations of where they might go. You're going to have one monkey pole for every hole on your assembly. Once you've got several of them placed, now we're ready to constrain them. You can right-click and click Escape. Use Constraint, and we're going to use the Insert constraint. So the type will be Insert. The solution will be aligned. You'll select on one end of our monkey pole. Please pay attention to what direction the arrow goes, because when we insert it, we're going to want it to go in the exact same direction when we insert it into the other hole. So here, my arrow is pointing in the opposite directions. I want it to point this way. I'll click one time, and you'll notice now that monkey pole is on the inside. Select Apply. You're going to continue to do that with each of the monkey poles, and then Apply. Select the end of a monkey pole. Make sure the arrows are going in the same direction, and then click Apply. Again, select one end of our monkey pole, and then select a hole and make sure the arrows are going the same direction. Please repeat that for all of the monkey poles and do all of the holes on one side of our monkey assembly. I'm going to pause the video, continue it without recording, and then I'll show you how to attach the other side of the monkey bar assembly. Now, before we move on to attaching the other side of the monkey bars, I do want to show you another mistake that you might make after you've gone to Insert and then Aligned. One mistake you might make is by accidentally having the arrows point towards each other and the bar going on the opposite side. If this happens, just simply click Undo and then try it again by coming back up to Constrain, Insert, then Aligned. Now make sure you have your other monkey pole there. I forgot to place mine again. So I'll place my monkey pole. Then I'll constrain it, and making sure that those arrows are pointing in the same direction. Again, if they're not, just click Undo and replace a pole if you have to, and then click Apply. Now, as much work as that was, this other side won't be all that difficult. We'll only have to do a couple of them to get it lined up exactly where it needs to be. We're still going to use the Insert constraint, Aligned. We're going to select one of the monkey poles on a leg. I'm going to select the top one so it'll be easy to find the correct hole. And then I'll come over and on the opposite end, make sure that my arrows are pointing in the same direction, in the same hole. So here I chose the one at the very top of the leg. So I'll click on the one at the very top, making sure my arrows are going in the same direction. You'll see that it moves it over. To line the rest of them up, we only have to do another one on the opposite side. We'll click Apply. And then we'll select the top monkey pole on the opposite leg. Again, the top hole on the monkey leg for the opposite side. Click and Apply. You'll notice that since all of the holes line up, the monkey poles will end up being lined up into the ladder. You now need to save this monkey assembly and move on to the next assembly.